Okay, here you can see is our example of the 4 relays running. Now it's pretty simple. You can see we've got the power supply connected, no USB, so this is running only straight from what's already in the Arduino. The wiring you can see is pretty straightforward. You have a ground connection here as well as the power VCC connected here. Now, as far as the 4 wires that you need, are just connected from 10, 11, 12, and 13, as you can see on the wires here. You can also see the relay board itself with the 4 wires going in just like so. Sorry, you kind of got a shadow on this way, but you get the gist. The wiring is straightforward. You can see the lights on the LEDs clicking on and off. Now here I have basically the power supply to the Arduino as well as a second DC power supply that's going as our power source for all the relays. These are being operated solely as a DC system. You can see you basically are pushing the limit there, fluctuating between 10 and 11 volts. That's giving you enough power generation to turn the lights on with little resistors quite brightly. Now, one little point I want to make here, I'll remove this connection now so you can see, but basically with relays, you've got 3 connections. You've got 2 sides with a center terminal tap that flips between normally closed and normally open. Now, what you choose to use is really up to how you choose to design the system. The issue being, though, is if you basically have it wired, as you can see, say in the extreme far right one, right here, this one has power going to the center switch, which the normally closed is then running the light. Now, that works perfectly fine, but the issue here is if the Arduino itself stops, no power is going to your relay station, you're still going to have external power going to the normally closed outlets. That could be an issue. You better be careful about that one. The other way you can wire it is, as you can see right here, you basically have all your wires on the left side where they're connected to the normally closed, and you're going off the center taps. Now when you do the center tap this way, that's also going to stay on. If you go to the normally open here, as soon as you lose power from the center tap here, this is going to go off. So let me just show you this. Here's an example here. If I pull the power to the Arduino, boom, no longer running, no longer switching, yet you have lights on. So not necessarily an issue, but you need to be careful how you design the circuit to compensate. That may be okay. You may want to use both normally open and normally closed, depending upon switching back and forth. It's all up to you. It's all up to the system. You'll see the code under 4 relay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.